What is industrial organizational psychology? The way I think of it is that it takes the lenses of psychology and applies them to organizational life. And it does that in a number of different ways and for a number of different purposes, some of which are, hiring and assessment. How do you hire good employees? How do you assess for good employees? What metrics can you design and use that look at their psychology and the psychology of the organization to make good hiring decisions? Leaderships and teams. So, of course, we know that teams have group dynamics, psychological group dynamics that influence how effective they are or aren't. And psychologists are really trained to look at those dynamics. Employee training and development, the employee experience, both of these domains, again, they have a lot to do with psychology. Are people satisfied at work? Are they engaged? Do they have, a high quality of well-being? There's a huge research literature now on this, employee well-being, for example. We know a lot about the things that organizations can do to foster employee well-being. Organizational change. So how do organizations change? And what are the processes we can use to kind of map change, understand change, and influence change within organizations? And then lastly, data-driven decisions. So one thing that IO psychologists do is they use different assessments, different measures to tap into different aspects of organizational life, to understand it, and then to track how it changes when we intervene. This is a really important part of IO Psych that you'd learn about in this degree. For those of you who want to learn more about IO psychology, I'd really recommend the Society for Industrial Organizational Psychology. That's SIOP.